Welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to solve this very interesting algebraic problem, and the question is, if 8 to the power x plus 4 is equal to 4 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus 2, find the value of x. We can rewrite this equation as 8 to the power x, and we'll bring this 4 to the power x in the left hand side and write minus 4 to the power x is equal to, this is 2 to the power x plus 2, and we'll bring this 4 to the right hand side of the equation and we can write it as minus 4. Now we can write 8 as 4 into 2 whole to the power x minus 4 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power x plus 2 minus 4. We know a formula where we can write a multiply with b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m into b to the power m, and also there is a formula, if a to the power m plus n, then this will become a to the power m into a to the power n. So applying this formula here and this formula here, we can write this equation as 4 to the power x into 2 to the power x minus 4 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 2 minus 4. Now we can take 4 to the power x common from these two terms and we can write 4 to the power x whole multiply with 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to, here 2 to the power 2 is 4, hence we can take 4 as common and we can write this as 2 to the power x minus 1. Now bring this term to the left hand side of this equation and we can write this as 4 to the power x whole multiply with 2 to the power x minus 1 minus 4 whole multiply with 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0. As 2 to the power x minus 1 is common in these two terms, we can take this as a common and we can write 2 to the power x minus 1 whole multiply with, the here 4 to the power x is there, minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we can write these two terms as 2 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 4 to the power x minus 4 is equal to 0. Further solving this, we can write this as 2 to the power x is equal to 1, and as we know, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Hence we can write the value of x is 0. Similarly, here we can write 4 to the power x is equal to 4, and this 4 we can write it as 4 to the power 1. Hence the value of x is equal to 1. Hence there are two answers for x. One is 0 and this one.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.